Welcome to the Band Bar Studios channel. My name is Liz. I am here to help you get fit and stronger from anywhere using long loop resistance bands. Today is day one of our 30-day challenge here on YouTube. There will be a new video every single day for the next 30 days for all of January, perfectly programmed so you feel stronger, fit, more athletic, faster, everything. Feel your best at the end of this month. They're super quick, super efficient, and I hope you love them. Today is day one, and we are doing a full body cardio workout. This is a no repeat workout. All you need are your resistance bands. We will start with a warm up right here in this video, so let's get right into it. Starting our warm up with some really big inhales. So bending at the hips, hands down, and I just want you to reach all the way up. Move your body in a way that feels good. Sweeping the hands. Good. Last one here. Perfect. All right, next we're going to do some hip circles. So standing up tall, hands on your waist, and just drawing a very big circle with your hips. Other direction. Good. All right, next, arm circles. So standing up tall and just drawing really big circles. Try and move your shoulders through the whole range of motion. Good. Other direction. May feel tight, that's okay. Good. And lastly, we're going to do alternating gait openers. So standing up tall, bring one knee up and out, and then switch sides. You might feel or hear some cracks. That's okay. Feel free to hold on to something, a wall, a chair. Oh, good. Perfect. Done. That's our warm-up. Please do any other exercises your body needs today. If not, we will get right into the circuit. So have your bands nearby. We're gonna pick them up as needed throughout the circuit, but we are starting body weight just with some body weight skips. So hold your jump rope, and we are just going to stay on the balls of your feet. You can go 1 foot at a time, just warming up the body even more. Try and just stay at a consistent pace. Last 10. Done. Next, grabbing a light band. We're going to do a side step with a band pull apart. So grabbing your band, feet together, you're going to step and pull at the same time. Ditch the band if you don't like it, but just do that movement with your arms. Again, stay at a consistent pace. Move through the range of motion on the band with resistance. So I don't go here, I stop here where there's pull on the band. Good. Good. Done. Next, we're going to do a narrow to wide squat. Hands behind your head, feet hip width. And then you're going to take one step out, feet together, squat in the middle, to the side, middle, to the side, middle, to the side. Good. Perfect. All right, next we're going to do a side shuffle. Moving those out of the way. Athletic stance, pushing off of the outside foot. Sorry, I forgot. Again, just try and stay at a consistent pace. Once you get the hang of it. Good. Next, side punches. Standing up tall, knuckles together. You're gonna rotate side to side, twisting that back foot, opposite side of your punch. But again, this is about consistent movement. We're bringing our arms and core into this one. Good. Next, lateral lunge, optional high knee. So feet together, one side of your mat. You're going to drop down to that lateral lunge, sink into this leg. Optional, that leg that just bent, bring it up. So if you're just getting used to a lateral lunge, ditch that high knee and just bring your feet together between every rep. Good. All right, other side. Let's go. So choose the level that works for you. Perfect. Next, jumping jacks. So, modified, you're not jumping, you're stepping side to side, or the jumping jacks we see. Again, just find your pace, stick to it. You're doing this once, and then you're done. You're already halfway. Three, 2, 1. Next, grab a band. Create some tension on it between your hands. Hold it above your head. Sink into a squat. And we're staying low, doing a monster walk. Just walking small steps, adding that squat. Slowing down the heart rate, but still working our muscles, pulling against that band. Good. All right. Next, we're getting in a tall lunge stance. So hinge at the hips, slight bend in the knee, hands above your head holding that band, bringing that knee in and that band down. Ditch the band if you don't like it, but get that movement and just kind of push against that back knee. Hinge over that front leg so you have balance. You can do it. Focus on your breath. Good. Whew, other side. So feel free to fold that band in half if you don't like the excess on either side. Let's go. Tall lunge, hinge. You got this. Whew. Feeling it. Almost done. All right, next, I'm gonna grab a lighter band. We're gonna do thrusters, which is a squat to press. Ditch the band if you don't want it. You're squatting. From the bottom of your squat, you're pressing above your head, okay? Inhale. Try and blend these motions together. Again, consistent pace. And just get through it. You only have to do it once. 3, 2, 1. All right, next, walking burpee. Feel free to do a full-on burpee if you want. Walking burpee, hands down, step back, back, in, stand up. Last 10. Done. Oh my gosh. All right, staying down on the mat, we're gonna do kick throughs. So starting in a tabletop position, elevate your knees, and then bring one leg across your body, and then come back to that center position. All right, move slowly to get the hang of it. I would rather you do it right than try and go super fast and risk injury on your shoulders, on your knees. You can do it. Done. All right, last exercise, mountain climbers. So, let's go. Choose your pace. You can do knee drives like this. If you want to finish fast, you can add that jump. But again, we're choosing our pace and we're just trying to be steady with it. Pushing up between your shoulders, strong base in your hands. Last 10 seconds, okay, of the whole workout. Done. Whew. Let's cool down. All right, we're going to start with a child's pose. Knees as wide as the mat, feet together, drop the hips back, and sink into that. All right, sitting up, we're going to do a forward fold. You can grab a resistance band and hook it around your feet to help fold forward if that helps, or you can just fall over. Next, we're going to sit down in a comfortable position and just rotate around your spine and alternate. Just to hold a couple of seconds on each side. Good. And lastly, we are just going to sit still and breathe. So sit comfortably and I'll stop talking. That was day 1 of our 30-day challenge. I hope you join me for the rest of this month. Please subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so that you never miss a workout. I will see you next time on the mat.
If you enjoyed this workout video, make sure to join me on bandbarstudios.com. There you'll get access to over 200 exclusive workouts, free challenges, form videos for over 100 exercises, workout tips, and more to help you on your health and fitness journey. If you're not a Bandbar Studio member yet, check the description below for promo codes and click on that link to start your free trial today. See you next time on the mat.